Revit 2026 brings several exciting updates and new features aimed at improving the workflow for architects, engineers, and designers. With this release, Autodesk continues to enhance collaboration, performance, and the integration of cutting-edge technologies to support the evolving needs of professionals in the AEC industry. Let's dive into the key features and improvements introduced in Revit 2026. 1. User interface and performance improvements. Revit 2026 introduces several changes designed to streamline the user experience. Refined interface. The interface has been further refined for a cleaner, more intuitive experience. Menus, icons, and toolbars are now more accessible and customizable, making navigation smoother. Improved speed. Significant performance improvements allow for faster model navigation, rendering, and load times, especially in large, complex projects. These updates will reduce wait times and increase productivity. Enhanced graphics. The new version brings improvements in rendering quality and faster real-time visualization of 3D models, providing users with a more fluid design experience. Second, collaboration and cloud integration. Revit 2026 enhances its cloud-based capabilities to further improve team collaboration and project management. Revit Cloud Work Sharing. This new feature allows multiple users to work on a Revit model simultaneously, no matter where they are located. This improves real-time collaboration and reduces issues with file versioning. Improved BIM 360 integration. Revit 2026 features stronger integration with Autodesk BIM 360, making it easier to manage and share models, track progress, and maintain communication between teams across different locations. 3. New modeling tools. Revit 2026 adds several new tools to enhance modeling capabilities and improve accuracy. Advanced MEP modeling. New tools for MEP engineers make it easier to model systems, including more flexible options for placing ducts, pipes, and other system components. Structural modeling enhancements. Improved tools for structural engineers allow for easier modeling of complex structures and better integration with structural analysis tools. Enhanced parametric components. Parametric modeling has been enhanced, allowing for more flexible family creation and easier customization of components. Users can now create smarter, more adaptable elements in their designs. 4. Visualization and rendering. The 2026 version introduces several visual improvements that allow users to create more realistic renderings and presentations. Real-time ray tracing. Revit now supports real-time ray tracing, offering highly realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections in renders, which is a significant leap forward in design visualization. Improved photorealistic rendering. The rendering engine has been updated for faster and more accurate photorealistic renders, making it easier to communicate design intent to clients and stakeholders. 5th, family creation and management. Revit 2026 provides more powerful tools for family creation, improving the flexibility and control users have over their project components. Family browser updates. The family browser has been upgraded with a new search function, making it easier to locate and manage families within a project. Smarter family parameters. Revit now supports more advanced parameter-based family creation, allowing users to create more intelligent, customizable families with less effort. 6. The competition and drawbacks. While Revit 2026 offers numerous enhancements, it still faces competition from other BIM software like Archie, CAD, and Bentley systems. Learning curve. With the new features comes a bit of a learning curve, especially for users who are transitioning from older versions. Some users may find the updated interface and toolsets take time to master. System requirements. The performance improvements and new features come with higher system requirements, which may be a concern for firms using older hardware. Conclusion. Revit 2026 brings essential improvements that will greatly benefit architectural, engineering, and construction teams. With enhanced collaboration tools, better performance, and new modeling features, it's an upgrade that helps streamline workflows and increase productivity. However, for those who are content with their current workflow or working with legacy systems, upgrading might not be immediately necessary. For firms looking to stay on the cutting edge and improve collaboration across teams, Revit 2026 is an excellent investment. What do you think? Are you excited to try the new features in Revit 2026? Or are you sticking with your current version for now? Let us know in the comments if you want to make a video tutorial about this new release.